Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Brother ADS-3100 document scanner step by step. If you've just purchased this scanner and want to get it running quickly, you're in the right place. We'll go through everything together, from unboxing the scanner to installing the software and performing your first scan. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open the box and carefully remove all the components. Inside the package, you should find the Brother ADS-3100 scanner, the automatic document feeder, also known as the ADF, an AC power adapter, a USB interface cable, and the quick setup and safety guides. Before moving forward, remove all protective tape and plastic film from the scanner. Also, open the front cover and check inside to make sure no packaging material is left. Step 2. Now let's prepare the scanner. Take the automatic document feeder and attach it firmly to the top of the scanner. Push it gently until it locks securely into place. This feeder allows the scanner to automatically load and scan multiple pages. Step 3. Next, connect the power adapter. Plug one end of the AC adapter into the back of the scanner. Then plug the other end into a power outlet. Make sure you are using the original adapter that came with the scanner to avoid any electrical issues. Once connected, the scanner will power on. Step 4. Now extend the scanner trays. Pull out the input tray and the output tray so the scanner can properly support your documents. Before inserting documents, gently fan the pages and align their edges. This helps prevent paper jams and ensures smoother scanning. Step 5. Now connect the scanner to your computer. Use the USB cable included in the box. Plug one end into the scanner and the other into your computer. Your computer will detect the new hardware automatically. Step 6. Next, open your web browser and go to setup.brother.com. From there, download the software for the Brother ADS-3100 scanner. Run the installer and follow the instructions on the screen. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer. This software allows your computer to communicate with the scanner and manage scanned files. Step 7. Now let's test the scanner. Open the Brother scanning software on your computer. Insert a document into the automatic document feeder. Make sure the pages are aligned properly. The scanner will automatically pull the document in and begin scanning. Within seconds, the scanned file will appear on your computer. LED indicator tips. If you notice LED lights on the scanner, they indicate the scanner's status. A solid light usually means the scanner is ready. A blinking light may indicate sleep mode or an error. Common errors may include a document jam, the front cover being open, or a document pickup error. If this happens, simply check the scanner and remove any stuck paper. Safety tips. To keep your scanner working properly, follow these simple tips. Place the scanner on a flat and stable surface. Keep it away from water, heat, and dust. Avoid placing heavy objects on top of the scanner, and always use the original power adapter provided with the device. And that's it! Your Brother ADS-3100 scanner is now fully set up and ready to use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more printer and scanner setup guides. If you need any help with setup, troubleshooting, or driver installation, to contact our support team. You can reach us at +1 888 557 3899. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.